So many lights. So visible.
Ooh, the bus stop. Oh, there's a bus stop.
Dude, it's like taking... Which one is this bill?
Goddamn.
Do people come here and like take the train?
No. I've never seen that
It's
place
so
here.
modern.
Yeah. Nobody rides the train anymore.
Not since, you know.
Yeah. I hear that guy still lives around here. Haha. If they all can.
The fattest train drop.
What is this? Dude, holy shit. Check it out.
Yeah.
I've never seen this before. Let me tell you what. Let me tell you. What's this box? Yeah, it's on too. Or her.
Did you get it on camera?
Maybe. I didn't know at the time. Like, I only knew when I was like, let me tell you something.
Get back.
Yeah. When has this been here? Yes. Path to Picasso. What is this about?
This is scary. Fucking Google's gonna pop up in a second.
Nothing's in there. God. Please knock before entering. Employees only. I heard somebody. I think I heard a little kid over here.
I'll leave. Come on. Lights are off. Looks like something tried to get in. They're gonna shoot my face.
Fuck.
Scary place.
Dude. Haunted goddamn bus stop. Where even are we? Holy shit.
What is
Someone's bike's here.
What are these boxes? This is not gonna get like.
They're all numbered. What is this? Should be our new hangout. Man, I gotta piss. I'm gonna shit my pants. Pepsi. Ugh. Oh god damn.
I'm gonna buy one.
The SS.
I'm so thirsty.
There's more.
Yeah, he's totally ripping that type of
Picasso.
chocolate house. Chocolate touch.
SS. Dude. It just goes on. And on. And on.
Is there a snack machine?
Dasani. No snacks. Oh my god, look at this guy smile. Coming January 2011. So this poster's been up at least like 3 months. Why wouldn't they take it down? Why wouldn't they?
What should I get?
Time 8:40, 10 Earth eastbound, depart 17 minutes.
Okay, Mountain Dew or Dr. Pepper?
DP.
I was gonna say the opposite.
Fanta, don't you want to?
I'm gonna pick the opposite of what you said.
And then you're gonna get the opposite of what you want. What'd I tell you?
I want a Mountain Dew. Open beverage at night.
Ooh. There's one car here. This transit, Barbara Lee Shaw. Died 88. That's like 23 years ago. Oh my god. Like, honestly, where are we? It's like a gate. Fence. Oh. You know what? This actually makes sense now. Because, like, the Sunday when the Super Bowl was going on, my aunt and uncle were like, hey, we should hang out for your birthday since we didn't see you. I'm all, okay. And I was looking online for like the train. Well, they wanted me to take BART. So I was like, looking online for the stations I have to go do and all that. And I was like, there's a station in Livermore. I don't know where that is. I'm just gonna go to the one where, like, I know where it is. Because that's easiest and more comfortable. But I guess this is the station that was listed online.
It's not a BART station. It's an Amtrak station.
Yeah, that too.
They should just
was-
send BART to here. That'd make everything so much easier.
Definitely. I was about to say that too. Because I was like, wait a minute. Isn't this not BART? It's just one of those cargo trains. It's a mystery. No, 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 no. Dun, 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 dun. Shit. I zoomed in on that guy's face.
You can see him?
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
What? Who is that?
Where?
Fuck out of here. I'm so scared.
Oh, what the fuck are you talking about? Oh, fuck this.